Good morning, parents and students. We are missing you, but we're going to use this opportunity to do some online classes so that you can keep busy. I've already sent you the recipe for the clay dough. It is 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of flour, and half cup of water. If you want to color it now, I suggest that you put the color in the water before you start. Okay, so everybody knows now about the coronavirus, about bacteria and viruses. So today we're going to make a bacteria, I think, or a virus, it depends. I'm going to give you a piece of clay and then you're going to make me a big ball. Roll the big ball. Roll, roll, roll. We're going to do a song later and this is how we roll the ball. Okay, we're going to put some eyes on. So I'm going to give you clay and then you can break off pieces and make as many eyes as you would like to make. Okay, so make some eyes for me. Break some pieces off and roll them, and then stick them on anywhere. We also took some earbuds and we clipped them in half, and you can use these as well to anywhere you'd like. Okay, roll, roll, roll. I'm going to help you make some bigger eyes. Roll, roll, put them on top and to the sides, in front and at the back. You can show mommy now everything that I've already taught you. In front, at the back, to the left, to the right, behind, everywhere. Stick them. Oh, you're going to make a smiley face. You can even put a smiley face on. It's a very friendly bacteria. And stick them on anywhere. Anywhere. That's an eye. Put it on anywhere. You can put it at the back, on top, to the sides, anywhere. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, and now you can stick the earbuds in. Oops, it's falling off. Make sure that it is sticking. Okay, put some earbuds on. Go. Stick them in. We are going to use TV time and then just cut a little bit so that the sun can dry it, and we'll be back for a painting lesson. Okay, so we are back. It has been drying for a while and now it is ready to paint. This is a great opportunity to teach your child about primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are the yellow, red and blue, and from these three colors we can mix different colors paint. So we mix some red and yellow to make some orange, red and blue to make purple, and blue and yellow to make green. And we just mix it together. You can use cake color, or you can use whatever you have in your home. This is a time to be creative. And purple. So the colors that we mix are called secondary colors. And if we mix all these colors together, we will get brown. Good job. And it is time to have fun. Make sure your child holds his paintbrush just like he would hold a pen, the correct grip, and then it's just time to have